So today's the kind of day that you open up the refrigerator and you find out what's left over from the weekend and you just make something. This is called making something. I made some pork, some vegetables, and for my family I made rice. But the pork is beautiful and tender and delicious. Let me show you how. I have some cremini mushrooms, carrots, peppers that I actually grew in my screen room. Some onions, garlic, ginger. Makes a nice stir fry. Once your pork is cut up, you can throw a little cornstarch on there and coat them. You don't have to. I just like to because they get really nice and crispy when you fry them in the sesame oil. And it also helps create a nice little sauce. Once the pork is brown, I take it off out of the wok and hold it on the side. Something I never really do ever is start my onions and my garlic at the same time. But for this particular situation, I want my onions to still be a little crispy. I don't want them to get all soft. So, starting the onions, the garlic, and the ginger all at the same time. And then I'm going to add the vegetables and just saute them really quick. When they get a little bit where they're starting to cook, I'm going to add the pork back in. Soy sauce, I don't know, I didn't really measure, but it's right around a half a cup. I'm going to put the pork right in. I'm going to mix that up really nice. Squeeze 1/2 of an orange. And then look at all the colors. It just looks so good. And it smells amazing in this kitchen right now. As you'll see in a second, the plate is so colorful with all these vegetables. It's beautiful. It's a quick meal for the whole family, and enjoy. And if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment, say hello. And until next time, take care, brush your hair.